We have made it easy not only to track apps ranking, but also promoted in-app purchases on Apple's App Store. Now you can track what keywords and how high an in-app is ranking for, analyze your competitors' pricing policy, track price changes, and keep a close eye on in-app purchases in search results. Switch between the icons to track your in-app positions or the ones of your competitors. If you're about to introduce an in-app purchase and not sure what price to establish, check on what your competitors are doing and start from there. Check on all in-app purchases, not just the promoted ones, to get the clear idea of what an app has to offer. Keyword ranking distribution graph is here to give you an understanding of how well your in-app is doing at a glance. Every promoted in-app pops up in search results for a specific keyword. It is important to analyze how many keywords lead your in-app purchase to top 5. Is this number bigger or smaller than it was yesterday? This graph will provide you with information on this matter. And below, we have provided you with a detailed breakdown of keywords dynamic distribution. You will learn how many keywords lead your in-app purchase to top 5, top 6, etc. positions, and the data below will show you how many keywords the selected app grew or fell for. In the table right here, you will see all the keywords the in-app is indexed by and all the other in-apps that rank for those keywords. Metrics like search volume, impressions, and rank are presented as well. It's never been easier to stay on top of the in-apps game.